I went through a little traumatic time and I gained a lot of weight. And so I just looked at my face and things were, as gravity does, things were kind of coming down a little bit. So I said, I'm going back to Dr. Dahiya. They make a little incision here and they tighten the muscles here. And then they actually kind of cut behind your ears, and they take that skin and then gather it up behind, cut it off, and put your ears back on at the bottom. It's really what you really don't want to know too much. As you get older, your eyes hood, your eyelids come down, and they kind of get into your eyelashes, and you want to lift that up. And when you lift that up, it just brightens your eyes. It just makes you, look happier, younger, and they just make an incision and tighten up the extra skin, and I'm sure he cuts it off. It's not what they do, it's the result. If you get a great result, you're like, I don't care what you did. At first, I have never had anything done to my eyes. So at first I was scared to death because I saw those railroad track, sutures. And I thought, and then they came out and I thought, is that gonna go away? And then just, 2 weeks of putting vitamin E oil and all that stuff just flaked off and went away. And then I'm like, it's perfect. I didn't have to worry about the scars of the surgery or anything because I already knew it. And I knew that, that swelling will go down and this will go down and I'll feel better and do that. So it's worth it. It's just so worth it. It's an investment in yourself. First you want to choose the doctor, and you have to look at the doctor very carefully. And when I checked out Dr. Dahiya, I found out that he graduated from Harvard with honors, went to the University of Massachusetts for medical school. He did 2 fellowships, which is not common. And when I looked at his board certifications, he has 2 board certifications. And he only does facial surgery. And the results that he gets are due to his experience, his training, and all the women I've talked to, they're worried, they're scared, but they always say the doctor is so kind. And I say that is so true. He is exceptionally kind and caring. He wants you to be happy with the results. And when you're happy and you feel good about yourself, you're more successful in life. And it's just life-changing. You just feel so good about yourself. I mean, I never considered myself pretty and nobody ever called me beautiful. And now it's like an everyday occurrence, and it's kind of weird. It's like, really? But it feels great, and it builds up your confidence. I just look in the mirror and it's like, my goodness, people that hadn't met me before, and they thought I was in my late 30s, early 40s, and I was like, being 57, I was like, yes. It's so life-changing. It's not that you do look great, but it's that inner confidence that you have. And that comes out, and people respond to it, and it's life-changing. It really is.